The topic of today's video is the best CapCut export settings for YouTube Shorts. And before we jump into the video, I would advise you check the links in the description of this video. There are tons of useful resources in there for you to check out. Alright, so let's get into it. So here we are on CapCut on just a random video. I just put two clips together. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to change our ratio. So we're going to click over here and we're going to change our aspect ratio to 9:16. Then you'll see the social media preview icon on the left hand side here for getting my directions. And we want to put this on YouTube Shorts. This will give us an idea of what it'll look like on YouTube Shorts, and we can see if anything is obscuring our view. Now, sorry for the cut, but I forgot something here. So another thing that we can do is we can click on the video in the background and we can rescale it. So let's switch off uniform scale, and here we can rescale the height. Now, this could look bad, it could look good. It really depends on how important the information in the background actually is. And once we're done, we want to click on export, and now you can choose your resolution. I would stick with the resolution of the actual uploaded footage. So if you wanted 4K, you should have recorded in 4K. If you wanted 1080p, you should record in 1080p. You can go lower. I wouldn't advise going higher. Then we can set our bitrate here. We can set this to higher, but I'll just leave it on recommended. Codec, I would leave on H.264. And then I'm going to leave our format in MP4 as well. Frame rate, again, if you want 30 FPS, record in 30 FPS. If you want 60 FPS, record your original footage in 60 FPS. And when we're done, we can export. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. Don't forget to check out the links in this video. All those resources are available for you. And I will see you in the next video.